Before we even start on this video, y'all go ahead and like this video because truth be told, I literally killed this. Her hair looks so beautiful. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification button. Yo, I really did my thing. Comment down below. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, yeah. Look at her feeling herself though. Let's jump in this video. Okay, so this is a 360 frontal wig. It has lace all around. So you could put it up in a ponytail if you want to. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. And of course, the adjustable straps. So now, I'm gonna get ready to start plucking the hair. All you need is a comb, your tweezer, and a spray bottle of water. I like to start off by spraying the hair. It has a better, it comes out better. So this is the next step, which I already started off camera. If you'd like to see how I achieve the ball cap method, I have other videos on it, but it's real simple. So basically you put the cap on, you get the got to be spray, then you spray it, or you could use the gel itself. And then you blow dry it until it's dry. Then after that, I'm gonna apply foundation that's match her skin tone, so it could give that realistic bald cap method. So now I am using adhesive. I'm using the Ghost Bond. I apply the Ghost Bond 3 times, and make sure the first time you apply it, make sure it turns clear first, and then you apply the second layer. And then it turns clear again, you apply the third layer. If not, it's not gonna look right. So just take your time with it. As you can see right now, the glue is not clear yet because you still could see some white residue. I'm just aligning the wig with her forehead from side to side. And then I'm gonna wait until the glue get completely clear. And then we are going to apply the glue. We're going to apply the lace. Okay, so now it's time for us to cut up the lace. I like to start off first with a scissor, and then I finish it off with an eyebrow razor. The moment we all have been waiting for. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, my countdown is off. 1. You guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. And mind you, her hairline was low, but we made it happen, y'all. We made it happen. Look at it. It looks nice and clean. It's beautiful. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you could be alert every time I drop a new video. And if you haven't subscribed for some odd reason, go ahead and subscribe right now. And thank you. I'll see you next time. Yeah. Just look at her just feeling herself. This girl. She got a beautiful smile. She's pretty. Okay, girl. Go on and do your thing. Her birthday in 2 days. Did we not slay her for her birthday? Everybody coming down and say happy birthday. Let's be nice. That's my girl.